So go on. You know, they are back again. And today we are gonna make some cornmeal porridge. That's what I'm saying. But when I check in on the blood clot cupboard, I realize that a few things missing. So I have to quickly run go to the shop, gather some things, and then come back. And we're gonna make some cornmeal porridge, some hard dough bread, and then I can watch the vibes and watch how I go on. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I can run go shop, and then we'll go shop, and then come back and then start the thing. But you know, cornmeal porridge good for you in the morning. When you drink a nice bowl of cornmeal porridge, especially when I'm used to the Jamaica, I'm drink a bowl of cornmeal porridge. You know, nothing else short there, you know. Nothing else more than water that full you up so much. So I say, you know what? I feel for little cornmeal porridge because a long time I drink some cornmeal porridge. So let's make some cornmeal porridge. And I have to show the people them how we do it, you get me? So you can leave a comment, you can leave a review, because you know what? Everybody cook different, you know. Everybody cook different. But you get me? And the taste, and the taste, you get me? So yeah, when we grab the stuff them from shop, reach back, and we'll sort it out, and we'll show them back also. Yeah, until then. Yeah guys, I reach back from the Gaza now. So I can start the ball and roll and make a porridge, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, we have everything we need. We have a cornmeal, we have a vanilla, we have a nutmeg, we have a cinnamon, we have a sweet milk. So we have to kick it off. I'm going to show you how we got. So what we need to make a cornmeal porridge is we have some cornmeal, yeah, coarse cornmeal right there. We have a sweet milk, condensed milk, we have it right there. We have a vanilla, give it a flavour. We have a cinnamon. In Jamaica, we get the proper cinnamon leaf and that true night, you get me? But when we there in England, hard for me get that, you know. I've got Brixton, and we have the nutmeg, powder nutmeg, everything a powder. But you know, a big chef in the kitchen, so it will come out the same way, it will taste the same way, you get me? So first, we are going to kick it off. So what we need to do is make sure we see how the water hot. So we have to get some water in the kettle, fill up the kettle, and then put on the pot boil, mix up the cornmeal. And that's all. Yeah, make a full of the kettle and then we'll do that. You know the water boil in the kettle. Yeah. What we are going to do is pour a little cornmeal. Then we'll pour some cornmeal in the kettle. And you need the cornmeal with the cold water. You pour a little cornmeal and cold. Yeah. And then you need to get some water. You get some water from this. Warm water. Cold water, whatever you call it. Water, cold water, pipe water, from tap water. Yeah? And you're going to mix it in. You get the tap water, you mix it in. Yeah? Mix it in. Look how that look now. Yeah? Look how that look. That needs more water. And you see that? You know see that needs more water. You have to put some more water in it. Yeah? Mix up this now. So the cornmeal, pure cornmeal, this is a pure cornmeal in the water. Mix up this. And then when the water on the fire start boiling up, then you put it in. That's how I put the water in the kettle here. Pour the water in the pot now. That's why we use the kettle. So you see? Mix it in the cornmeal, make sure that the cornmeal mix in the water. You know, the water there go and boil. So you have a cinnamon leaf now. Now the right time to throw your cinnamon leaf in the water. But because we use the powder, we are going to wait a little bit longer for put it in. But if you have the leaf, you can throw your cinnamon leaf in the water and keep boiling in the water. So what we need to do now, and throw a little salt in the water. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon to cook with. Rastaman style. So yeah, then we'll just put a little salt in the water, yeah. And as you can see, the water boil up because the water done pre-hot already in the kettle. the cornmeal in the cold water. Make sure you mix it in properly. So you know, nothing left in, you know, make sure say everything mix in. So when you put it in the hot water, and when you put it in the hot water and start mix it, at no time it will start get thick up in it. And you will get a beer lump if you don't mix it properly. You have to make sure say you mix it continuously. You see? All of that the cornmeal left in the plate. You have to make sure, yeah, wash it out. And then you have to mix this continuously. You can wait till the water well hot to boil up, well hot. And then you mix it in. Cause if you left it now, if you left it and you don't mix it in, all that happen is the water I go step on the top and then the cornmeal I go soak on at the bottom, settle on at the bottom, and then it I go start burn. And you don't want that. So you have to continuously mix it till it start get thick and then you start to plop, 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 plop. And you start boil. So when you start boil now, then you turn on your fire. Turn it down, make it go and cook. Cause you want the cornmeal have to boil properly, you know. And you know when time you eat it, you have to be a grain in your mouth or when your porridge done. When your porridge done and you throw out your porridge out of your bowl, your porridge is supposed to run up and down. Porridge will sit down, second. You get me say once that cool off the second. You know some people make porridge and then the time they make the porridge. And now when the porridge cool, the porridge still a run up and down like you get me? No, it's a porridge not to stay so man. Porridge for second, porridge not to look coming like a soup. As me can feel it now, the water get thicker. As you know maybe can see, it'll get thick as well. So that means that the water get hot and the cornmeal are mixing with the water. So that's exactly what we want right now. And then we just leave it. And remember, don't cover your cornmeal porridge. Right, you're gonna bring too much water, you know, want that. But remember, you have to stay over that. Constantly mix it. One way you need to mix the cornmeal porridge, you know. One way. Yeah. Look on that now, you see? Everything mixing now. Mixing, you can feel it. Because when you mix it, you know, you can feel it. When you mix it, you feel the difference. You can feel the difference when the cornmeal start mixing or when it start get thick. You can feel it from when it before, when time it was just more water and the cornmeal and you try mix it in. But now that the water get hot, the cornmeal start dissolve and it start mixing with the water. So you can feel the thickness. And that's how we want it. So we'll leave it like that now. The boil for like what, 15-20 minutes. But still come check it like every 5 minutes, every 3 minutes, cause you don't want it to stick at the bottom. And you don't want it to be no long water cornmeal porridge. You have to make sure you keep your eye on it. You have to keep on it. Cause soap porridge make. I mean, I know some people just make porridge and just put on the thing and gone for hours, minutes. You have to do over the thing and watch the thing. And cornmeal take longer to boil than the rest of them. So, and you don't want it to boil too quick. You have to, cause if you put up the fire too high, or it will do a burn the porridge. So you need to do is just turn it on on a low fire and let it make it go on pop, 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 pop. Yeah? So that's how we are going to do. We are going to turn on the fire now. Look. See? So you want it to mix in. Nothing no stick at the bottom. You just leave that now on a small fire. Turn the fire right down and make that go and cook. Remember, still come check it every 15 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 2 minutes. Come check it, mix on your pot. You get me? Don't stay more than 5 minutes though, because it will stick on at the bottom and you don't want that. Because when it stick on at the bottom and the cornmeal cook, I burn your porridge, I go burn up. And if you look like you want more water, you add more water in it. If it a pop too much, you can add little more water in it. You get me? Yeah. Like the fire coming like it too high feet. The fire too high feet. That pop too much. And pop out of the place. You get some liquor pop. Liquor pop barely a pop out like pop. You get me? barely have to go over. So that me I look for. Look up at them. Yeah, see eh? Still a pop, maybe add little more water. Add little more water if you feel like it's too thick. You always add little more water. When it thick, I harder to boil and it will stick more. You can add little more water. So it boiling. Don't worry, you can always add little corn flour, little self any flour later on if it's too thick, if it's too thin. But your main focus right now is to make sure, so yo, you know what? The cornmeal boil. And that we are work on. Getting the cornmeal to boil without sticking at the pot bottom. So yeah. I will leave that. And then after 5 minutes, we are gonna come back and check what going on. So yeah guys, after 3 minutes, 2 minutes, come back, come check it. Make sure it's nothing else stick out at the bottom. Yeah. Like that. Right for the bottom now. Make sure it's nothing else stick out of the pot, yeah. But yeah, like what going so far so good. Looking good. Nice little set body. Yeah. Nice set thing in it. But yeah, look good man. Looking really good. I like what going. Like how I mixing everything. Yeah man, go on cook now man. As you can see what going. Yeah, mixing good and thing. Still I get a little pop them, and that way I work for. I wait for the cornmeal for cook, so you know we get like about 15-20 minutes and then we watch what go on. If we don't like how it look, if it still look too coarse, give it the next 10 minutes. If you need to add more water, we add more water. But after 25-30 minutes roughly, you can start adding your spice them, adding your vanilla, adding your cinnamon, adding your nutmeg, and then put in your sweet milk, and then you can lock him off and then serve nicely. Some cornmeal porridge, but yeah, watch what go on, man. See how cornmeal porridge a pop up. That a go on, man. Remember, you know, when I'm saying, when you drink one plate of this today, you know, drink a bowl of this a cornmeal porridge today, you don't need nothing more for the rest of the day. Want some water. That's all I carry through. Some water. So yeah, but wait, watch you make it. We're there. Come back, come check it in the next 5 minutes or so, yeah? So yeah, guys, after 2 minutes again, come back and we'll check it. Make sure, you know, constantly check it. Make sure it don't stick. Because if it starts stick, you're going to trouble. Because if it starts stick, the cornmeal will cook. Then it will burn by the time the cornmeal will cook. So your porridge now go nice. Porridge will taste a little bit funny if it burn. You don't want that. So you make sure you sit here with the porridge. Check it every 2 minutes. So again, guys, we have to come back and check it. Every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you have to check your porridge because you know when your porridge stick on the bottom. If it stick and the cornmeal not cook, that means you're going to trouble. Because it can burn by the time the cornmeal for cook. And that you don't want. You get me? You want to make sure say how the cornmeal cook properly, porridge ready, set properly, taste nice when you're ready to put in your flavors on that. So make sure you check it very often to make sure say you don't stick on at the bottom. And then after 25-30 minutes, you can start putting your vanilla, your whatever you need to put in and season up the pot, you get me? But yeah, I eat that again. I'll soon come back and check him again, innit? The guys will come back again to check it again. So I go on. As you can see, it start give me that little pop. So that indicate that the cornmeal is cooking, which is a good sign. Because it's been on there now nearly about 15 minutes. I will still gonna give it the next 10 more minutes before we start putting the stuff them in it. So we might give it the next 2 more, 3 more check before we start dumping the vanilla, the nutmeg, the sweet milk, and flavor him up, you get me? Yeah, and then we can share out a nice bowl and have that. So make him go and boil, give him about 10 more minutes to cook, and then we can come back and start that. But we're gonna check it the next 2 or 3 more time before. Come again to get another check. Now that it's cooking, it's getting more thicker. So it's easier to stick at the bottom, so you have to check it more often now. So yeah, like how it look. As you can see, that look like porridge now. It's all good. Cornmeal cook. And I still like when my thing well cook. Still I give it to a next. Give 5 more minutes still. Yeah. Give him about 5 more minutes. Next time I come check him, I come push in this throw in the stuff them in him. Yeah, you see that little pop 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 pop. Ready up. That means I'm ready. Yeah? I'm ready. Need I'm ready up. Time for throw in a little cinnamon. Yeah, don't worry, I will leave everything in the description. Don't worry. Yeah? Throw in a little nutmeg. Some vanilla. And then you mix in that. That smells so good, man. Jesus Christ. That smells good. Make sure you mix it in properly though. Yeah. Your porridge I got that look now. See the look what you got now? Yeah, but don't worry about that now. Once you put the sweet milk in it, that will change everything. One sweet milk in it, everything change. Whole complexion. Get me? Whole complexion change. Everything. See how that look nice now? Oh, good. Yeah. See? That well set. I leave that now for 2 minutes. Leave it on the heat for 2 minutes. And then you can lock him off. And then yeah, you can dish up. So yeah guys, as you can see, the porridge is done. Ready up. Time to shear out. Time to dish up. Dish up myself a plate of this porridge. Well nice. Looking well nice. So yeah guys, as you can see, cornmeal porridge finished. So we are gonna try it right now. It's at the first spoon. Mm. Mm. It's so nice. I just want to turn it on. Drink it out straight away. But guys, that's how you make Jamaican cornmeal porridge. So until next time, we'll see you again. But leave your comment. Let me know what you want to see we cook. Yeah? Jamaica ends out and we're out.